Okay.
So the lineup was the printing down this way. Oh, and there's the arrow right there.
Oh, I didn't see it on there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you gotta pay attention.
Uh-huh.
What's this? Oh, it's just.
Okay, now what about, what is that right there?
Oh, it's just tape. You don't have to take it off. It's just
What is that?
this.
Yeah,
I don't know actually. I don't know what that is.
okay. Okay. Now, do you have the cooler, the CPU cooler?
Yeah, right here.
Uh-huh.
All right. Sure, you just put it on.
So we don't need a bracket on the back, right?
No, it should be fine.
It just pops in. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
it pops
too
right
easy.
in, yeah. That's what's good about the built-in ones. You just pop them in, and they're
Yeah.
already ready to go. But if you had liquid cooling, you had to mount all these things. It's just
Too much.
yeah, it's not fun.
Not worth it.
Okay, so that goes where?
Hold on, it's different. It's right here, right here. Which way does it go? Here it is. All right.
Okay. Okay, so now the CPU fan
That's the memory.
is on,
Now we need the memory.
and now we're doing the memory.